Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe. So I don't typically vlog on Sundays because Sundays are always so hectic for me. I'm just always trying to get my entire life together in one day, which is usually not the best thing to do, but I feel like it's the only day where I don't have anything to do at all. So obviously I work Monday through Friday, Saturday maybe I'll go out, and then Sunday it's just left to do everything. So I typically use Sundays to do laundry, to edit. That is usually what takes up most of my day. Usually the entire day is left to editing because I'm just, you know, editing the rough cut, I'm finding music, I'm making a thumbnail. Everything always ends up on Sundays, and it's usually a very stressful day for me. So I wanted to vlog today because I wanted it to be more of a Sunday reset vlog, so it's not as stressful as it usually is. I'm gonna try to make it more therapeutic today, and yeah, just show you what I typically do on Sundays, how I get my life together, how I basically start my week off. I just made some iced coffee right now. I try my best not to buy coffee on the weekends because obviously I work Monday through Friday, so I'm likely gonna be buying coffee outside. So yeah, I got some Trader Joe's cold brew over here. And right now I wanna edit my video. So luckily I didn't leave all of my editing till today. So the video that's going up tomorrow, Monday, is summer favorites, I think. So I filmed that on Friday, and then I was able to cut some of it on Friday as well. So right now I want to go in and put the final touches on it, you know, find music, text, all of that. And yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much take you along my day today, just a chill Sunday. So it is like maybe 2 hours later, so I just finished editing my video, which is literally the best feeling ever because sometimes editing is so tedious. Like, you're literally sitting in front of your computer for hours, cutting, pausing, put this here, cutting, pause. It's very tedious, but obviously the end result is worth it. So I haven't really eaten today, so I want to go make a lunch. This is probably going to be more like a late lunch. So I have this ground turkey that I really want to use up, so I think I'm going to make like a ground turkey burger yeah, like a turkey burger, and then just put whatever veggies and stuff I have left. I'm really trying to use my groceries. I hate when I buy groceries and I end up wasting it or it ends up spoiling, so I haven't really been ordering out a lot lately just because I'm like, okay, you gotta use these groceries up. And I also have sweet potato fries, which is perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go make lunch right now, probably relax a little bit before I start to clean. So I like to leave all of my cleaning to Sundays usually. Yeah, like I'll just mop my floor, I'll clean my room, I'll just wipe everything down, disinfect. It is just my get my life together day. So yeah, we're gonna do lunch now and then we will come back and clean. So I'm about to clean my makeup brushes and I'm even embarrassed to tell you how long I went without cleaning my makeup brushes. It's been on my mind for weeks to do it, but I just always forget. And yeah, it's honestly, it's embarrassing how long I've went without washing these. So I'm finally gonna stop being lazy and we're gonna clean our brushes today. So typically whenever I do remember to clean my brushes, I would clean it on a Sunday just so I have clean makeup brushes for the week. So yeah, these brushes need some love right now. So yeah, we're gonna clean them and hopefully remember to clean them frequently.
That's the genius idiot. I love that name.
Yeah, I tell a bitch, eat it like clothes, you can't see the wrist. Whip it like water, crush, I got a grip, bigger than water, piss. And the shots ain't bringing my swords back. From the news to the trap, and the white, no, they could be new to the top, and the rap. Tiffany's say you smooth like an R&B song. How you keep the boys on your ring, they do it. Coming by surprise, in my brand new whip. Baby, keep me in the scope. If I'm on the trip, baby, bring it back to strong. Up the back, oh, yes, baby. Okay, you're coming by surprise in my brand new whip. Baby, meet me in the scope. If I'm gone, don't trip. Baby, bring it back to strong. Up the back, oh, yes, baby. Yeah, it feel good since a nigga been back, but a nigga done change. We couldn't tell them I couldn't cover my pain.
Hello everyone, so it is nighttime now. I'm all showered, skincare is done. Favorite part of the night. But on Sunday nights, I like to pick out my outfit for work for the next day because I hate waking up and feeling like I'm in a rush, like I don't know what's going on. I like to wake up, get ready, and leave right out the door without feeling like I forgot anything. So yeah, it just gives me a lot less stress and just makes me more calm in the morning when I do everything the night before. And I usually pick my outfit based on whatever the weather is for the day. So tomorrow it's supposed to be raining, but it's 90 degrees. So that's like the worst combination because it's gonna be storms, but it's also gonna be very humid. But I don't think it starts raining till 11 a.m. supposedly. Let's see. But yeah, so that gives me at least time to travel in the morning without it raining, so I feel like it gives me more flexibility for what I can wear. I really like this top that I got from TJ Maxx, but I don't know if I want to wear it tomorrow. I don't know if I want to save it for a day where it's not raining, because this just screams summertime to me, like very beach floral. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. So I have this basic H&M top. It's like this peach color top, has these cute little ruffled or puff sleeves, very, very simple. And then I just have these Zara white flowy pants. It's very flare at the bottom, so yeah, just a very simple outfit. And then I'm just gonna wear it with some flats or something. And yeah, that is the outfit of tomorrow. So I'm pretty much just gonna eat a late dinner right now and watch Love Island, because that's what I like to do every single night. It's just, you know, watching bad reality TV right before you go to bed, start the week off right. That is my favorite thing to do. So gonna do Love Island, and that is it for this Sunday reset. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sundays are usually very stressful for me, but today I tried to make it as therapeutic as I could. This is typically what I do, just, you know, editing, cleaning, basically resetting for the week ahead of me. I feel like the way I make my Sunday is a good indicator of how my week is gonna be. So if I really pour a lot of, you know, organization and just getting everything together on Sundays, I feel like the rest of the week flows really well. So I post videos every Monday at 3 p.m. so please put the bell notification on so you can know whenever I post. And I hope that everyone is staying safe, taking care of their mental health, and I'll see you in my next video.